Hello again, we're back, and today's the day. We are moving the gun box over into the truck. So I'm just waiting for everybody to arrive at the moment. I'm gonna get some corner braces on, stop it from twisting and bending. And hopefully we can get the farmer to come with the JCB and pick it up, shift it out of the way. So then, let's get to it. Okay, so we got the corner mounts on and the straps all rigged up, ready for the JCB to come and hoy it on out of here. The JCB's a little bit dead. Fired up the old SsangYong. Got the old BCJ running. See how it lifts with the forks of death on it.
Go straight back into that door.
Okay, so we are semi-in. That's what she said. Unfortunately, we've hit a bit of a hindrance. So we measured off the two bolts that hold the rear reflectors in back there, and those bolts are longer. So we've got to grind them down. Okay, right. Corners are in. Say what? Yeah, she'll do. So today we're taking the truck over to the other workshop so Dad can weld the brackets in the bed in each corner, stop the gun box washing machining around inside. It shouldn't move anyway. I tacked it in. It's not screwed in though. What else are we doing today? Making a battery box because as it stands I've just got a blanket stuffed in there, and that's not great. So these are the two batteries that blew up, basically. They blew the terminals off when I started it up once. Don't know why. Maybe it short-circuited on the side of the battery box. Who knows? So yeah, they're slowly leaking and eating away at that. I've got all the bits to change it all and redo it, so that's a job whilst we're there too. And yeah, this went bang, this window. It's knackered inside because that's not actually sat where it's supposed to sit, as you can see. So I've got all the internal door mechanisms to do as well if we get a chance today. But for now, let's start her up. My new low air pressure light on there. That's a USB bank, which I'm just in the middle of wiring up. See if she'll be there. Methinks they're absolutely mint. Shame really, because they're just over a year old. Oh well. Okay, so I'm on with wiring up the panel. Just put another cable in there, that's the fuse. Right down the side there. Just drilling some holes through the frame. And get it down there where the NATO hookup is. And then down here to the batteries. Currently on with the battery box, doing stuff. There's our lovely new battery box with all new connectors on, yeah! And I've just finished wiring that up. So now, flick the switch, voltmeter, faggy lighter, and USB. And it all works perfectly, yeah! Guard dog on duty, size of him, he'd have you. Mega progress done today. All the mounts are in. I've got power to my USB deck thingy. I'm going back to storage yard and then I'm going to hang the door on the gun box. Give you a little walk around in there. So let's go! Okay, right, what we've been on with. Well, hello MTV and welcome to my crib. So the light is terrible in here. I've got my little lamp, so I'll try and make it a bit better. So these are all welded in now, these corners. Nice blobs of MIG on them. And it's not moved since coming back. I've started moving stuff in. So I've got my Cold War Russian AK-47 Transit chest there, that's full of tools. I've started putting stuff on the walls, first aid kit, some bags and mag pouches. Same over there, and on this side. I've basically cut up a couple of belts. That's all these are, just some pistol belts, which is what they did. They just used bolts rather than posi head screws, but I'm not bothered about that. So 50 cal there, M60 there, and 50 cal there. Yeah, job's good, and I've got that to paint as well. I've run out of rollers, so I'll do that next week. Testing a couple of footman loops out as well for my spare tyres. That seems okay. They're held on with 30mm screws, so that's under quite a bit of tension. So they're working perfectly fine. Door doesn't fit perfectly because I've got the wrong type of hinges on, but I can change that, or I might just leave it as it is because it's under tension. So slide that off. So that'll stop it from wiggling about a bit at least. So yeah, it's under tension, that's all good too. Signing off for now. Next video, I might do one on Operation Market Harbour, but as far as this is concerned, it's ready to rock basically. I'm just gonna move all my camping equipment in. Slight leak on the radiator still. I don't know why it's still doing that. It's not dropped any out at the moment. But when I got to the other workshop, it dribbled a little bit out. It took a gallon of water. I think it might be using a little bit. Anyway. So yeah, that's me signing off. Like I say, next one might be Operation Market Harborough. And then Yorkshire Wartime afterwards. So, keep an eye out if you're going. If you do see me, come say hello. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next one.